Okay, so now I will show you how to go into recovery mode with an iPhone 11. So you will need a lightning cable, and you need to connect your phone to your computer or your MacBook. And next you will need iTunes or Trio Tools. I prefer Trio Tools because it is easier to use. So let's go. For recovery mode, you need to push one time the volume up, a second time the volume down, and push the side button and keep holding. We need to push the volume up button one time, the volume down button a second time, and push the side button and keep holding it. And let's wait for the recovery logo. Keep holding. Perfect. So as you can see, here we have the recovery logo, and we can check in Trio Tools, and as you can see, we are in the recovery mode here.